You a woman. Like, girl, you be out here smelling good. Oh, okay. You're sexy. You're fine. You're a fine babe. You're a bad bitch. Like, if you just gotta be out here smelling good. Like, y'all be walking around here smell like nothing. You smell like nothing. That's you're giving nothing. You're giving nothingness. So let's not do that. Let's step it up. Let's step our fragrance again. Hey you guys, it's your girl Ebonique Luxe, and I'm back with another video. Okay, if you're new, welcome. My name is Ebonique Luxe. I'm so glad you're here. If you're not new, what it do, baby boo? You already know. So period. So let's get straight into this video. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna be my luxury wish list. Okay, so in this wish list, I guess that's pretty much what it is, a wish list. I'm just gonna be letting you guys know some luxury items that I would love to have in my closet one day. Like, I would love to be able to go and pick some of these items up right now if I could. But for right now, I'm gonna just have them on my luxury wish list. You know, a girl can dream, you know what I mean? So, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the nitty gritty, what you guys came here to see. So of course, you know, the first thing on my wish list is gonna be these Givenchy Shark Lock boots. Like, these boots do something to my soul. Like, this is a boot. Like, whoever came up with this idea, like, chef's kiss. These boots is everything, and I would want them in the all black leather. Oh my god, these boots are just so fire. I did just order some what you call them, like dupes. It's a little dupe. It's like a little baddie on a budget. You know what I'm saying? But I did just order me some replicas. That's the word I'm looking for. I did just order me some replicas. I can't wait for them to get here. If you guys want to see a video with showing the replicas, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button while you're down here. And also, might go tap that subscribe button too, girl. Anyway, so yes, these Givenchy Shark Lock pant boots in leather, those are number one on my wish list. Or I don't know if it's number one, but it's on here. Like, I don't think I got them in any type of order, but it's on here. Okay, so let's get into the next item. So the next item on my luxury wish list is gonna be this pink Chanel top. Like, the pink I really like pink is my color. If you didn't know, girl, that's my color. I love me some pink. And this top also just do something to my spirit. But I did just order a replica of this from Jewelry Chic. I just ordered a replica of this from Jewelry Chic, but they only had it in orange. So, you know, I had to get what I could get while I could get it. So I did order this in orange, and I got it to go with my Shark Lock boot replica. It's gonna be a look. I'm gonna get a pic for the gram. You already know that. So yes, this pink Chanel top, and it retails, I guess, what site am I on? I don't know what site this on, but y'all see the ticket down below. Baby girl, like I said, wish list approved, because these pockets ain't we ain't there yet, okay? But anywho, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Period. I mean, do I need to even explain what's going on here? These earrings are just, I feel like these earrings just These exude class. These just say boss bitch. These say, excuse me, I'm here, I'm in the room, you see me. You know what it is. You know what it is, baby boo. You know what it is, baby boo, okay? That's what these earrings, like, I don't really wear earrings, but if I'm gonna wear one, it's gonna be these. So I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm on the hunt. I'm on the lookout for the replica. When I find it, it's in my cart. I'm up. Here's my how they be doing on TikTok where they get the cart. Here, take my money, cause I'm gonna have to incorporate those. I love these earrings. Love them so much. And they can go. They'll go with anything. Like, girl, daytime brunch, date night, Thanksgiving, your birthday. Like, these just gonna pop with whatever. Period. Okay, so next item. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Now these right here, I don't even know if they old, if they in season, out of season. I don't care. I've literally wanted these shoes for years. This is a shoe. I don't care. These are the Ysl Cassandra Sandals, and this is in the patent leather with the black monogram. That black on black. That black on black. Oh yes, I'm here for it. Now that's like the earrings. That's like the earrings. Like you step out in these with whatever, dress, pants, club, brunch, dinner. It don't even matter. These shoes is fire. They fire. I love them. These shoes is fire. Love these so much. So this is not just gonna be like a clothing wish list. Like, it's gonna be other things in it as well. So speaking of that, let's go right on into the next item. See, I'm getting y'all through. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't gonna do how I did my last video. You know, that was an hour. But you know, I had to get some stuff off my chest. You know what I'm saying? I had to let y'all know it's detailed. That's why that was an hour. If you don't know what video I'm talking about, that's my last video. That's my get ready with me, get to know me. I'll put a little card up in the corner. You can check that one out if you're done with this one. And if you liking what you're seeing, baby girl, subscribe and join the tribe, okay? Subscribe and join the tribe. We moving on up. We moving on up in the world, okay? You got goals this year. We're gonna hit them. We're gonna hit our mark every time, period. So let's get into the, hold on, y'all. I'm getting a call. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So let's go ahead and get right back into it. So like I was saying, the next item on my wish list is gonna be, of course, I just feel like for me, I have to have the baccarat. I have to get this baccarat. Like I mean, I just got to. Like, I got to. I feel like if you're an it girl, you got baccarat in your collection. Like, even if you're not wearing it, it's in your collection. Even if you don't wear it no more, it's in your collection. I feel like this and like a Neverfull, like, that's just baggage starter. You just the baccarat is Neverfull. Put the baccarat in the Neverfull. Carry the Neverfull. Like, Neverfull is just your everyday bag. Like, that's not on my wish list, but it should have been. Let's give it an honorable mention. The Neverfull. If I'll upload a picture of the Neverfull for an honorable mention. We'll hold it right here. You know, honorable mention. Neverfull. But yeah, anyway, back to it. So yes, the baccarat is definitely on my wish list. I'm really just now starting to get into perfumes and stuff like that, and like, I'm really enjoying it. Like, even like smelling colognes and stuff is really rare. He really don't be into that type of stuff, but I'm gonna get him into it. I'm gonna force it upon him. Okay, I'm gonna force it upon his life. He don't have a choice. But yes, I'm getting into fragrances. Like, it is like, I feel like that just, You a woman. Like, girl, you got her smelling good. Oh, okay. You're sexy. You're fine. You're a fine babe. You're a bad bitch. Like, if you just gotta be out here smelling good. Like, y'all be walking around here smell like nothing? You smell like nothing? You're giving nothing. You're giving nothingness. So let's not do that. Let's step it up. Let's step up our fragrance game. Okay, here we go. This is it. So the next item on my wish list is gonna be this white medium Ladybag from Dior. This Dior bag, I just feel like, I just see me taking my pictures like, oh, Lady Dior, oh, Lady Dior. Here we, in the white, like white. Oh, oh, I love this. This, like, and it's like the size of it is just everything. Like, this is everything. Like, baby girl. This is gonna be in my closet one day for sure. It may not be now, and it may not be tomorrow, but one day I'm gonna have this. And y'all, my boob is hurting so bad. Y'all know I'm a breastfeeder. Y'all know I got a breastfeeding little baby, and she with my mama right now. But this, I'm full, okay? And it's painful. So let me hurry up with this video, okay? So the next item is I realized that I got a thing for Dior. I realized I'm a Dior girl. And I just realized that. So the next item is gonna be this pink Dior book tote. It's the small one. And it's of course the pink. Like this, come on. If you don't like nothing else on my wish list, don't play. You know this is it. You know this bag is the truth. Like, and it's the small one. I don't know why I'm feeling these small bags all of a sudden, but yes, bro, the small one. Oh my God, this bag is just another chef's kiss. I love this. Oh, I can't. Give me an all white outfit. Give me the slides. Come on. Don't play me. This is gonna be this is also another piece it's gonna be in my closet one day. You keep on watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you could hit the rewind button. Remember where I said it, okay? Remember when I said it. Mark your calendar, okay? Put the date down in your book, alright? Okay. So the next thing, of course, the first person I see is Aaliyah's face. And these are the Tom Ford padlock sandal in the black with the gold accent. First of all, I love black. Second of all, I love gold. I love black and gold. This shoe is just baby girl. Step. This is grown woman. You are a grown woman if you are wearing this shoe. This shoe, you are going to give grown woman vibes. Okay? I just love this. This is another one that I'm gonna have to, cause I need it now, not later. Send the funds now. When to do now. These I'm gonna have to go ahead and find a dupe of these. I'm gonna have to find a little replica of these because I got to have them. I heard Shein got some, but I think last time I looked they were sold out. But I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna find them. Don't you worry your pretty little heart. These will be found. Okay? Alright. So, we're back at it again with Dior, okay? Dior's got a hold on my heart, okay? I love me some Dior, okay? But these Dior Slides in the black are just, again, like that bitch starter kit. You're out of that bitch if you don't have these, okay? These is fire. I got these. It's just simple. It's classic. It's simple. It's like a bust down middle part. You know what I'm saying? Bust down middle part. Flat iron me out. Flat iron me down. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's giving doobie wrap. It's giving doobie wrap. You know what I'm saying? You just had to be there. Okay? You just had to be there. Like, I just, these, yeah, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. Yeah, and I don't even really do like, I'm not like a sandal slide type of girl. But these, oh yeah, these got to go in my closet. I gotta have these. Y'all, wait a minute, like I said, mark your calendar. Did you do it yet? Did you subscribe yet? Did you subscribe so you can remember to remind me that I have said that I'm gonna get these? And then when you see when I get these, you gonna tell me in the comments, I have remembered you said you was gonna get those. I hope you subscribe, okay? Help me out. Help me out, okay? So, anyway, so I have one more item on my wish list. Let's get to it. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. This one, I did save for last. I saved it for last because it's a big boy. it's doing big martinis, okay? Big martinis, okay? So the last item on my luxury wish list is going to be this Tesla Model X. Not really the one in the picture. I want me an all black guy. I think I might want that guy matte. I think I want him matte. And baby, I'm just trying to pick up my bestie in a Tesla. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask? I'm just trying to pick up my bestie in a Tesla, okay? That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to live my best life. You feel me? I want the doors to do the thing. I want it to drive itself. I want all of it. Everything about me. Everything about me. I want me. Yeah. All these numbers at the bottom, I don't really know none of that means. I hope it's good stuff. I hope it's good things. Because I still want it. I still want it. I need it. Yeah. So that is going to do it for my luxury wish list. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed me. You know, this was fun. I love chatting with you guys. Like I said, I'm dedicated. This is for real. I'm not gonna play with my YouTube channel this time. This time, I'm for real. I'm gonna take it serious. I'm getting dedicated. I'm getting consistent. I'm trying to knock these videos out. I'm trying to get out something to see. You feel me? So, like I said, I'm trying to definitely be bringing more videos every month. I'm trying to get ideas. Y'all give me some ideas in the comments below. I hope you like this video. If you did, definitely hit that like button, leave me a comment, tell me which items are on your luxury wish list as well. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come back and see me. Come back and see me. Talk to me. Okay? What it do, baby boo? What it do? Okay? So, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. We on the rise. Like I said, if you fucking with the kid, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you for watching. See you guys later.
Yeah.